So, this is how to play Gacha Life 2 on PC without an emulator. It is fast and easy. First, search for Google Play Games Windows in your search engine. Go to the first result that leads to Google Play Games on Windows PC. Click the Download Beta button. This is an official app made by Google. It lets you play Android games directly on your Windows PC. It is still in beta, but it runs very well. It supports many popular games. This includes Gacha Life 2. After it downloads, find the installation file, launch it. On the welcome screen, you can change where it installs, or leave it as is. Click Install. Wait for it to download the needed files. Let it finish the setup. When that is done, Google Play Games will open by itself. Sign in with your Google account, set up a new profile, or switch to one you already have. Then continue. If you agree with the terms of service, click Accept. Next, the app asks if you want to send usage data to Google. It also asks about crash reports. These help improve the app. I prefer privacy, so I turn these off. You can choose what feels right. Click Finish. Now you are in the app. You will see the main dashboard. Click the search icon in the left panel. Type Gacha Life 2. Press Enter. When you see it in the results, click on it. This opens the game page. Look for the Playable indicator. This means the game works well on PC. It has been tested. It will run smoothly. No extra setup is needed. Click Install to download the game. It will install on your PC. It asks if you want a desktop icon for the game. This choice is up to you. Wait for it to finish downloading. Wait for it to install. Click Play to start the game. You are almost done. Accept the terms of service to continue. You are now ready to play. Let me show you some things for better performance. In the right panel, you will find settings to change. One is for visual settings. Here you can change the screen resolution. This helps if you need better performance, or if you like a different layout. If you change it, restart the app. You can also change the mouse pointer size, make it larger or smaller. There is also a maximum FPS setting. For smooth visuals, choose 60 Hz. If you have a slower computer, try 30 Hz. You might need to reopen the game after changing this. To make the game fill your screen, click the full screen icon, or press F11. To exit full screen, press F11 again. That is it. Now you can enjoy Gacha Life 2 on PC. No emulator is needed. If this guide helped you, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.